Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Mitali this side, and today's video is going to be my third Sunday vlog. So without any further ado, let's quickly begin the video. Okay, hello everybody. So it's been quite a long while since I have spoken to you. I know that YouTube videos are also delayed a lot. I'm really sorry about it. So basically, if I have to give you an update, sorry, of this whole week. So I'll say that I was, very lazy in this week. I took a break from every possible thing in my life. So I basically didn't shoot anything.
I took a break from my Instagram. I don't have my phone also right now because it's gone for the repair. And I didn't even shoot a lot of content for YouTube. I have a lot of screenshot content, like 2-3 vlogs I have, but I didn't even edit them.
So basically, it was a full detox week. I obviously did my classes and all, but I didn't study that much, like as much as I used to. And also, I started binging, Netflix.
So I got this beautiful series, so I started watching it, and I'm already on the third season of it. So yeah, more or less this week was very much a break for a week. So today is Sunday, and I have, took a long break of the whole week, so I thought that today I will, do all the tasks that I used to do earlier. So I have to study today, naturally. Yes, I have even taken a break from my workout, so today I will resume my workout also, and I have thought
to make some homemade chocolates today. So let's see. I hope that it also turns out well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So right now I have to study. I have to complete all the things that I have thought that I have to complete. So I'll do that. Then I'll do my workout. Then I'll go for making chocolates. So that is the plan for today. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
As you've seen, I took a quick shower, did my Sunday skincare, which is really important, and now I finally sat down to study. So today I'm studying biochemistry, which is like very new to my vlogs because always I make a vlog, I am mostly studying physiology. So today I'm studying biochemistry and I'm doing the unit called carbohydrate metabolism. I thought that I'll finish a few chapters from that unit on this Sunday, and then I will quickly shift to doing a lecture of physiology. So here I complete my biochemistry unit. I did it from first the lectures, the PDF, and then I finally did it from the book. And then I had a quick lunch, along with which I watched my favorite series on Netflix. And then I again started my study session for the next couple hours. So here I'm doing a video lecture of biochemistry itself because my unit was not yet completed. I brought a few of my notebooks because I had to, write down a few points that I really liked from the lecture and that I thought was helpful for me. So I wrote all of that in my notebook and I was pretty much done with my biochemistry unit. And then I began my physiology lecture, which was a very short lecture for around half an hour, and I completed that also. I made digital notes for this particular lecture. Okay, hello you guys. So I just got done with my workout and it was very intense. It was cardio day today, but I absolutely loved it. And finally, it's time for the most exciting thing of the day, which is to make chocolates. Yes. So I have basically got some of the things, some of the ingredients already. So I'll be showing you, and then we'll quickly begin the process. Let's go. So basically yesterday I went to a grocery store and I got these dark compound and white compound chocolates which are from the brand Mode, and I have a bowl here, a glass bowl, along with two heart shaped chocolate molds which I got from a different store. And here I broke the dark compound firstly and I put it in a bowl. Then I cut it into a few smaller pieces so that it's easy to melt the chocolate. And then what I did is that I took this whole bowl with this cut out chocolate and then I put it into the microwave for around 30 seconds. After 30 seconds we took it out and I gently stir the chocolate. It wasn't yet melted, but we have to be careful with the duration we keep our chocolate in because we don't want to overheat it. So that is what I did, and after around keeping it for 3-4 times for 30 seconds it was fully melted. Look at the texture, it looks yummy and beautiful. Here we have a few dry roasted dry fruits because I thought that I'll put them in the chocolate so they'll make the chocolate tastier. And here is the white compound, so I again took one piece of it, cut it and microwaved it, and now you need to listen to this conversation.
गरम है, व्यू गरम है। कम नहीं है ये, ज़्यादा और मेल्ट कर लेंगे, इसमें क्या है।
And this is our final setup to make the chocolates. So let us start. I began by pouring a little amount of dark chocolate. So here in this dark chocolate I also mixed 1 brick of white compound because the dark chocolate is very bitter in taste. So to make it a little sweet I added the white compound in it and mixed it, and here I am putting the almonds in the chocolate, and then I covered it with another coat of dark chocolate, and then to decorate it a little bit I drizzled a little bit of white chocolate because I thought that it was looking really pretty and it will make the chocolate look really good. So this is what I did with a spoon. I again repeated a similar procedure with a different mold, and I played around with different designs and proportions of the dark and white chocolate. Then we refrigerated the molds for around 5 minutes or maybe less than 5 minutes, and this is how they look after the refrigeration. Then you just have to very gently get the chocolates out. This is what my first mold of chocolates look like. Here what I did was I first drizzled the white chocolate and then I put the dark chocolate, and then I'm filling here cashew nuts to give a flavor. And now you got to listen to the next conversation, and please don't laugh at me.
फ्रिज खोलो। फ्रिज मतलब फ्रीजर। फ्रिज मतलब फ्रीजर।
Yay! We made all our chocolates and I think they look beautiful. Do tell me, how do you find them? And did you like the video? Did you like the chocolates? Please let me know in the comments. It was finally dinner time, so I had dinner while watching Good Doctor, and then it's finally tasting time. And I think the babies quite really liked it. I mean, look at their expressions. They really liked it. And if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Tell me in the comments what else do you want from me. Share this video and do subscribe. I will see you again very soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.